Today's day 8 of 10 days of Easter. Today I'm making an Easter bunny makeup gift. First I have this Easter bunny container and I'm going to take the top off. Next I'm going to add some decorative green grass. First I'm going to add a mascara. Next I'm going to add this e.l.f. Halo Glow Liquid Blush. Then I'm going to add this Ulta Beauty Liquid Eyeshadow. Next I'm going to add this beauty sponge. Then I'm going to add two e.l.f. lip glosses. Then I'm going to add two of these Rice Krispie Treats Milk Chocolate Cream Eggs. Lastly, put the bunny lid on top. Here's an up-close look of the Easter bunny makeup gift.